Welcome to Miranda by Mixed Digital, your smart AI office assistant. Customers visiting your website get an immediate response 24 hours a day, eliminating missed connections that cost you money. Customers can reach the assistant on your website, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, and even WhatsApp. Optional text messaging can be added to your plan. The system is trained to collect contact information in anticipation of setting an appointment, or for following up if they're not ready to commit immediately. Access Miranda from your computer or using our mobile app. The backend records get updated in real time as they answer questions, ensuring your database is accurate and up to date. The assistant will verify name and address with the customer to make sure everything is correct. We train Miranda with your pricing, menu of services, and promotions to make sure each customer is getting the right information. When setting appointments, the assistant checks availability in real time and can even schedule for multiple technicians sharing time slots. We provide a fully functional and robust calendar. Miranda can also connect with most existing CRMs like Jobber and Housecall Pro. Appointment confirmations are sent immediately via email and reminders go out prior to their appointment, helping to cut no-shows down by 50% on average. Miranda speaks naturally, sounding like a regular person, and can even speak in other languages. Miranda is designed to deliver the same great customer service you or your team would. Now, let's listen in on a demo voice call.
Hello, you've reached Acme HVAC, where heating and cooling customers are our top priorities. How can I help you today?
My heater's not working.
Got it. That sounds frustrating. Let's get this sorted out for you. Can I start by getting your name, please?
It's Mark Simmons.
Thanks, Mark. That's MarkSimmons, right?
Right.
Perfect. I see we have your email.com. Is that correct?
Yes.
Great, thanks for confirming. Could you tell me a bit more about the issue with your heater? Also, is this for a residence or a business? And how many units are at the property?
It's for a residence. The heater is just not heating, and there's 2 units at the property, but it's just 1 unit that isn't working.
Got it. So it's for a residence, and one of the 2 units isn't heating. Thanks for sharing that. Would you like to schedule an appointment for a technician to come out and take a look?
Yes, and if you could also tell me how much the diagnostic fee is.
The diagnostic fee is $125, which covers a full inspection and helps us prepare an estimate for the repair. Now let me check the available appointment slots for you. One moment. Here are the available appointment slots. On Friday, December 12th at 11 a.m. or 2 p.m. On Monday, December 15th at 8 a.m., 11 a.m. or 2 p.m. On Tuesday, December 16th at 8 a.m., 11 a.m. or 2 p.m. Let me know which one works best for you.
I'll take the first available appointment.
You're all set. Your appointment is confirmed for Friday, December 12th at 11 a.m. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
Yes, will any of the diagnostic fee go towards the repair cost?
The diagnostic fee covers the estimate, and it may be applied to additional fees if necessary. The technician will explain this further once they assess the issue. Anything else I can assist you with?
No, that's all I can think of.
Thanks for calling, Mark. Your appointment is all set for Friday, December 12th at 11 a.m. If you need anything else, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.
You can manage appointments on your desktop or on the mobile app, share access with texts and more. View your calendar in a traditional format, view details and make changes with ease. In addition to getting notified of new appointments, you'll have access to customer address, the reason for their call, and the service type in the appointment notes. If you prefer to view the calendar in a list form, you can do that as well. It even integrates with common operation software like HouseCall Pro, Service Titan, and Jobber, which don't offer conversational AI. If you're ready to get started or let us prove it with a trial, get in contact with us and we'll set up a meeting to go over the details. Thanks for watching.